The Jamaica Football Federation and Mico University College on Friday put pen to paper as the two signed a memorandum of understanding which will see to the development of referees in the corporate area.
There has been a call for referees across the island as the number is dwindling fast. Well, Mico is playing its role with the development as the school will assist the JFF in holding courses at the institution. According to JFF President Mike Ricketts, he says the move is a big one and they have always toyed with the idea luring students from tertiary institutions.
We from here on will be using their facilities for school room work, using their fields for the physical component of training referees. And of course, they will supply us with a number of prospective referees, both on either side of the gender.
And Ricketts says the interest has already heightened.
The head of our referees department did say to me that students from Mico have already been calling and making inquiries, which would suggest that they are ready, the institution is ready, and the JFF is ready. So we are just good to go. And like they say, we're going to hit the track running.
And the Dean of the Faculty of Education at Mico, Karen Foster, sees the importance of being a part of the partnership.
It is a part of the repositioning theme of the Mico University College, where we're looking at ways of growing, ways of improving our offering. And the matter of refereeing is certainly one that is not paid as much attention in Jamaica as it should.
Head of the JFF refereeing department, Cardella Samuels, says it's a great feeling for her to oversee such venture.
We have had an objective and signing this MOU. This is a major milestone for us, and this is just to enhance our standard and quality of our refereeing. And trust me, we are looking for great things joining this partnership with Mico.
The partnership could start bearing fruit as early as this summer. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.